our project virtual point game. So virtual point game is like just a normal point game, but we have added another new feature. So the new feature is that we don't use the traditional method to control the bats of the game. We use our hands, physically hands, to control the bats. So our grand purpose is to provide a unique and innovative feature to the gamers, and most importantly, with this interactive game, we thought to provide a friendly and a family friendly together. So our game is a unique one and special to the friends and families. And most of all, our game is completely contactless and providing a hygienic and healthy environments for children also. And next, to complete our project, we use the programming language of Python. And in Python, we use two main libraries, which is MediaPipe and OpenCV. And next, our advantages of our model is that it is useful in physical rehabilitations. Like this game is useful in physical therapy. Like it can improve the motor skills and reflex of the person and his hand and eye coordination also. And by engaging in this interactive and enjoyable activity, I think the patient may be more motivated to participate in such therapies exercises. And next, it is an accessible game, which, like I also told you, it can provide a unique experience to the gamer, which is controlled by hand gestures. And now we don't need such external devices, input devices like keyboards or mice. We can just with the cameras, we can just control the pads of the hand by the hands. Next, I'm going to tell you the interface of our game. Yeah, this is the first one is the image where we actually play the game, and the second one is the image where we display the scores of the game. And it is our theme is actually written in our language, Tibetan language. And that's it. Now I'm going to explain you about the coding parts of the game. And now I'm going to explain the coding part of our project. The first four lines are the lines where we imported the libraries, which is CV2, CV zone, and NumPy. The CV2 is where we all gather the image and process it to show you the game. And the CV zone is the module where we detect the hands left and right position, and the NumPy is used to click the position of the hand with the bad position. And these are the images we imported. And as you go down, we use the variables, initial variables like the ball's position, the speed of y-axis and x-axis, and the score. And I've also made a function which is called reset. Initially, it resets all the ball position values, speed x and speed y. And now, coming to the main game, we run the while loop, and we first read the images, the camera's images, and to detect the hands, we use the, as you can see, we use the CV zone module. And now, this is the main part. We detect the hands y coordinate, and we just make it to the bat's position of y. So if the hand type is if it's left, it is controlled by the speed is actually reduced and added. So if it's right, it's added here. And so if game over, if the score, if the ball position is beyond the hand, it adds the score and resets value. So if the score is 5, like if the score, one of the team reaches the score 5, we show the game over images, like we close the game and display the scores. And now when the ball moves inside the surface, we just normally add the speed position of x to the ball position so as it moves constantly. And if the ball is hitting on the wall of the surface, we just change the direction of speed y. We just put a negative sign to the speed y position. And now, as you can see, there is two main keys to restart the game and to quit the game. So if you want to restart the game, you can just press R, and if you want to quit the game, you can press Q. Now next, we will going to show you a quick demonstration of our game.
Now I'm going to show you a short demonstration of our game. Now to start off the game, we have to press R on the keyboard, and in this here these two players will show their right hand and left hand to control the bat. As you can see, the green side is controlled by the left hand of this person, and the red bat is controlled by the right hand side of the player. And as you go up and down, when the ball bounces, it changes its direction, and as you see, the speed is constantly changing at a random pace, which makes the opponent to think and predict the ball. And when the score is finally up, you can either restart the game or exit. And this is the interference when the game is over and